Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Here's where we level up the chicken tender game with bold twists, smart storage and plating like a pro. Easy dipping sauces you can mix in minutes: honey mustard, 2 tablespoons Dijon, 2 tablespoons mayo, 1 tablespoon honey, pinch paprika. Ranch dip, ½ cup Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon ranch seasoning, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Barbecue chipotle, 1/4 cup barbecue, 1 to 2 teaspoons adobo sauce. Buffalo ranch, 2 tablespoons hot sauce, 2 tablespoons ranch. Store sauces in the fridge for up to 1 week. Flavor twists: spicy, lemon pepper, garlic parmesan, gluten-free. Spicy Nashville-style oil, mix 1 tablespoon cayenne, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, ½ a teaspoon paprika, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder into 2 tablespoons hot neutral oil. Brush on hot cooked tenders. Lemon pepper, toss hot tenders with fresh lemon zest and cracked black pepper, then a pinch of salt. Garlic parmesan, toss with 2 tablespoons grated parmesan and 1 teaspoon garlic powder right after cooking. Gluten-free breading, try rice flour with crushed cornflakes, or almond flour with crushed pork rinds for extra crunch. Egg-free binder, thin mayo with a splash of water, or use aquafaba to replace eggs. Quick sides and meal ideas for families. Simple sides: crunchy slaw, roasted potatoes, corn on the cob, steamed broccoli, or a green salad. Fast meal builds: buffalo ranch wraps with lettuce and pickles. Chopped salad bowls with tomatoes, cucumber, and ranch. Chicken and waffles with hot honey. Tacos with shredded cabbage and lime creamer. Rice bowls with veggies and a drizzle of teriyaki. For 4 people, plan 1.25 pounds of chicken and about 3 cups of sides. For younger kids, offer plain tenders with ketchup, fruit, or buttered noodles. Make ahead tips and meal prep. Freeze breaded, uncooked tenders in a single layer on a sheet pan. Once solid, move to a freezer bag and label. Cook from frozen. Air fryer, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, add 3 to 5 minutes to the usual time. Oven, 425 degrees Fahrenheit, add 5 to 7 minutes. Marinate up to 24 hours in the fridge. Never thaw raw chicken at room temp. Buying, storing, and reheating chicken tenders the right way. Good chicken and smart handling give better flavor and safer meals. Keep the texture crisp from day 1 to leftover day 3 with these tips. How to buy and thaw chicken safely. Look for air-chilled chicken and no added solution. Check use by dates. Tenderloins save time but may cost more. Sliced breasts help your budget. Buy about 1.25 pounds for 4 servings. Thaw in the fridge overnight, or in a sealed bag in cold water, changing the water every 30 minutes. Never thaw on the counter. Fridge and freezer storage timelines you can trust. Raw chicken, 1 to 2 days in the fridge, up to 9 months in the freezer. Cooked tenders, 3 to 4 days in the fridge, 2 to 3 months in the freezer. Use airtight containers or freezer bags. Press out extra air. Label with date and contents. Reheat without getting soggy. Air fryer and oven methods. Air fryer, 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 7 minutes, flip once. Oven, 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes on a wire rack over a sheet pan. Spritz lightly with oil before reheating to refresh the crust. Skip the microwave if you want crisp. Reheat to 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the center. Food safety basics, temps and cleanup. Wash hands and tools after touching raw chicken. Use separate boards for raw meat and produce. Do not reuse marinade unless you boil it. Check doneness with a thermometer in the thickest piece. Cool leftovers fast and store within 2 hours. The crispy tender formula is simple. Quick brine, a 3-step dredge, hot and even cooking, a short rest and a great dip. Try 1 new flavor twist and 1 new side this week. Bookmark this guide, share it with a friend, or print it for your fridge. Make dinner easy, keep it fun, and enjoy crispy chicken tenders any night you want. Thanks for watching this part of the series. Your crunchy dinner habit starts tonight. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.